Hey guys, so it's safe to say that we all do love clear skin, but sometimes random bumps and textures just pop up on our face out of nowhere, and we'd like to get rid of them. Here are some bumps that popped up on my cheeks, and I also had some on my forehead that popped up out of nowhere, but luckily I was able to get rid of them in under 4 days. So I'm going to show you guys tips and tricks that I did and that you could do at home by yourself to get clearer, smoother skin fast and get rid of those bumps and weird textures. You leave your skin literally feeling like a baby's bottom. Who wouldn't want their skin to feel like that, right? Oh, and might I add, these are very affordable too, so if you can't go to the dermatologist or you don't want to, these are great tips to get that skin that you've been wanting forever right at home.
When I got the little tiny bumps around here recently, I wasn't quite sure if it was dermatitis and I really didn't know what it was. But I started using a couple of different things in my skincare regimen and my skin has literally never been better. I know that I do a lot of skincare videos, but honestly, I am really pleased with my results from using these products. Recommend 2 products for you guys to use or add to your skincare routine. If you don't already have them, they're both easily available on Amazon. So textured skin, how do I get rid of textured skin? You want to really focus on cleansing and exfoliating. I use a foaming cleanser, but you can use any type of cleanser that your skin reacts well to. You want your skin to react positively to the cleanser that you're using. I use the CeraVe, as you guys probably seen in other videos, because I just found it to be the most effective cleanser and it is dermatologist tested. Next step is to exfoliate. This, if you aren't going to listen to anything else in the video, you need to listen to this. This is probably the most important step in the skincare routine, and it's one of the steps that I actually didn't do before. By doing this, I got rid of my bumps in literally like 4 days.
So this was day 1. Well, this was actually T minus whatever days because my skin had been looking like this for a while. I thought it was going to go away on its own, but it had been like a week at this point and it was not going away. But luckily I found my Paula's Choice and it literally helped me get rid of it. Well, almost get rid of it in like a day. This is the next day. As you could tell, my skin looks really like dry and patchy though because I have some makeup under my eye. But this was the next day after I used it and I already saw results immediately. And then this was day 3 where it started to look better, and then day 4. So when I filmed this video though, it was about day 5 or 6, but this was day 4 and it was pretty much almost like all gone.
So here is the secret that I use. So yes, this is Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant, Salicylic Acid, and this is not sponsored, guys.
This BHA exfoliant literally transformed my face, and I'm sure it can help your face too. So Paula's Choice's 2% BHA exfoliant is a liquid exfoliant, so it's not like a traditional scrub exfoliant, and it's a liquid, so that means it's chemical, and that is actually better for your skin. So what it does is it clears and minimizes enlarged pores. The beta hydroxy acid, which is BHA, sheds built up layers of skin, and it just exfoliates the dead skin cells and induces like quicker cell turnover. So you can use this twice a day for better results. I used it for once a day, and after 4 days I was able to get rid of all the small bumps and the weird skin stuff that I had going on. So you just rub it against your face, and soon I'm going to show you guys all of the dead skin that comes off on this every time that I use this product.
So what is BHA exfoliant? BHA exfoliant is beta hydroxy acid, and it's like salicylic acid. So it's kind of like what you find in your products that get rid of pimples. So it hydrates your skin, it diminishes the look of like fine lines and wrinkles. It helps get rid of like the dullness on your face. And what I really like about the BHA exfoliant compared to like other exfoliants is that it doesn't just work on the skin surface, it like penetrates deep into your skin, so it's really working.
It honestly works so well that I'm always blown away by how much dead skin is on my cotton pad when I'm done. Look at all that dead skin, guys. That is a lot, and it's not makeup because I didn't go over my eyebrows or, my eyelash line. I went over everywhere else and my neck and behind my ears because I just really wanted to show you guys how powerful this PHA exfoliant is. And my skin feels so hydrated. It's soft, and like I said, it got rid of my bumps on my cheeks and on my forehead in under like 4 days. I'm gonna make sure that I link this Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant in the description, so you could just click down below to get the product from Amazon or their website, but I just normally get everything off of Amazon. And sometimes I like to, as you can see, just do another quick round of just putting some more on my face and just, really getting rid of that dead skin and really letting the product work underneath my skin layers. So as you can tell, for round 2, I don't have as much dead skin in comparison to round 1, but that just shows how much it actually got off my face the first time. It's crazy. So now it is time for me to put some oil. This is the next step. So I'm just gonna put some oil like, under my eyes and on my neck and on my face, just to it's gonna actually help the oil like really get into my skin now that I have exfoliated. So now I'm just patting in the oil. And actually, I forgot to mention, and I should have mentioned it earlier, but before I use the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant, I actually use witch hazel. So after cleansing, I would use witch hazel as my second step just to clean off my skin before I use the Paula's Choice exfoliant. I don't know why it escaped me and I forgot to mention that here, but you can actually definitely add witch hazel to your regimen if you'd like to. So now I'm going to complete and seal everything in with my Shea Butter. Some people have mixed feelings about Shea Butter on their skin. I like it. For me, sometimes it doesn't work for like really oily skin. So just figure out what moisturizer works for you. I have combination skin and it's helping me through this winter rough time. So I'm just finishing off everything with the Shea Butter. Now I am officially done with my new skincare routine that I am completely so happy about. The liquid exfoliant really did transform my skin, but I also wanted to mention another thing that you guys might be able to use. It's not really for the face, but I have used it a couple of years ago.
So product number 2 to help get rid of textured skin is Tend Solution. This helps with ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and shaving/waxing for women and men. So I guess everybody besides kids.
So I think this is good to try if you have textured skin. I have used it in the past on my face and it worked, but I'm not really gonna fully recommend this one on the face for everybody because everybody's face might react differently, but it is good for like keratosis pilaris, for like your legs, for ingrown hairs, for under your arms. So I just wanted to throw that in there, but I do still really highly recommend the Paula's Choice, but I will definitely link both of them below, including the witch hazel. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and please subscribe, please click your bell notification, and talk to you guys later.